Hi friends, welcome back to Right to Learn Apti. In this video, we are going to learn how to square a number. So what I want you all guys to do is remember squares up to 30. If you remember squares up to 30, it's my duty to teach you how to square numbers after 30. So without any delay, let's get started. As we know, squares up to 30 now. Now we will learn squares greater than 30 and less than 130. And these numbers, that is 30 to 130, will be divided into two parts and we will be learning squares separately. So let's divide the numbers as 30 to 80 first and then 80 to 130. Let's take a number between 30 and 80. Let that be 63. Now here we have to find 63 square. The moment students see any square or multiplication, they try to write the numbers like this: 63 into, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18 and 6 3s are 18, 1 3 6 6s are 36 plus 1 37 and 9 16 9 3. So they get answer as 3969. No doubt that the answer is correct, but if I say without putting pen on paper we can get square of 63, isn't it amazing? Yes, it is amazing. So I will teach you how to square any number between 30 to 80 without putting pen on paper. We have to find 63 square. What we need to consider first is we have to take base as 50. So base is 50. Whatever it may be, if you take any number between 30 to 80, you should take base as 50. So what is the distance from base to 63? It is 13, right? We get 63 as 50 plus 13. So that's why the distance is 13. And now what we have to do is the square will be break down into two parts actually. Part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is nothing but square of this distance, and this part 2 will have only 2 digits in it. And now we know that square of 13 is nothing but 169. So we can't write 169 directly here. We have to take last 2 digits, that is 6 and 9, and write it directly here. And that extra one is carry forwarded. Now what about part 1? Part 1 is nothing but addition of distance with 25. 25 plus 13, which will be 38, and this extra one which we got from this 13 square should be added to 38. So this will be 39. Part 1 will be 39 and part 2 is 69. So the total square of 63 is nothing but 3969. Now what is the reason behind, or what is the logic behind this? Let's see logic now. What we have to do is we have to split the number as 50 plus or minus something. As 63 is greater than 50, we will take 50 plus 13. So 50 plus 13 whole square. And now we know that a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. We will apply the same formula to this and find out. A square, that is 50 square, is 2500. B square, which is 13 square, which is 169. And 2ab, 2 into 50 is 100. 100 into 13 is 1300. Now addition of everything is 3969. This is the logic behind this method. Let us see some more examples. Here we have to find 41 and 79 square. So by going with that method, simple method, we will see it now. Part 1 and part 2. What is distance from base to 41? It is minus 9. So part 2 will be nothing but minus 9 whole square, which will be 81. And now part 1. Part 1 is nothing but 25 plus distance. And here distance is nothing but minus 9. So 25 minus 9, which is 16. So the square of 41 is nothing but 1681. Now let's see this example. What is the distance from 50 to this 79? It is 29, right? 79 will be 50 plus 29. So part 2 is nothing but 29 square, and we know that 29 square is nothing but 841. So we write 41 here and 8 is carry forwarded. And now what about second part? Second part is nothing but 25 plus distance 29, which is 54. 54 plus this 8 will be 62. So the square of 79 is 6241. Now let's do another example. 72 square. Now here we have to find 72 square. Now tell me, what is the distance from base to 72? It is 22. So the part 2 will be 22 square, and we know that 22 square is nothing but 484. So 84 will be here and 4 will be carry forwarded to next part 1. So part 1 will be 25 plus distance, which is 22. So 25 plus 22 is 47. 47 plus 4 is 51. So part 1 will be 51, and so 72 square will be 5184.